विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट करेक्ट अबाउट इनिशियल फेज ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. ठीक है, तो इनिशियल प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में पूछा है, फेजेस के बारे में. सो नाउ लेट्स सी द ऑप्शंस. द कॉस्ट एसोसिएटेड एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट इज हाईएस्ट. ठीक है, सो फर्स्ट पैरामीटर they ask about cost, so I'll write here, right? Second, the stakeholder have maximum influence during this phase, so second parameter I will take stakeholders. ठीक है, stakeholders influence. The highest uncertainty at this stage of the project. Okay, now what is the meaning of uncertainty? मतलब risk. ठीक है, तो risk will be our third parameter. Now first we will discuss these three parameters and then we will go to the answer. ठीक है, तो see, we are starting the project, means project is not started yet. Okay, it is in initial phase, and initial phase is all about planning, right? So here basically we will just plan the things. We will just plan the things. Like example हम लेते हैं कि let's build a library for a college. ठीक है, let's build a library in college. Now suppose we are sitting together and we are discussing that okay, we need to develop a library in our college, right? So first what you will ask me, that capacity, what will be the library capacity, right? Then second you may ask me the location where we can have the library. Okay, location of the library, exactly at where in the college, right? Third, what kind of books we can keep in our library, right? Lots of things are there, means this is all we are doing in planning only. All are on paper, all the things are on paper, right? So that's why the initially the cost is minimum. Why? Because obviously we are just doing the plan. Okay, we will get some suppose help from the counselor, so little bit cost it will go there, but ultimately the cost will be lower as compared to when we start the project. When we start actually building a library, so obviously cost will go up. Why cost will go up? Because obviously to build a library, construction material is required, right? Cement is required, then chairs, books, and tables, right? Wi-Fi we need to set up. Lots of things are there. So ultimately the cost will go up in the later phases of the project. Okay, so that's why the cost associated at the beginner project is highest. This is the wrong. It will be lowest. Okay, so the first statement is wrong and they ask about not correct only. Okay. Second, stakeholders. Now in case of library, who will be the stakeholder? Who will be the stakeholder for this example? Obviously one is important, principal, right? Second, teachers, maybe senior teachers or HODs I can say, right? Then definitely we need to take help or views of students also, so student head will also part of the meeting, right? Then management, school management, trustee, so all these people will be stakeholder, right? Now initially when the planning is happening, definitely their influence is high because they will control or they will put the money there. So that's why they can say okay, we want capacity of 100 student. Okay, we want location near to lab or near to whatever, depend on your best location for your library, right? Then we may require Wi-Fi of suppose let's say 100 mbps speed. So these are the influence done by stakeholders, okay, to the planning part. So that's why as all the things are on paper, okay, execution not started. बहुत important point है कि जो execution है वो start अभी तक नहीं हुआ है, तो that's why the stakeholder influence is more in this stage. ठीक है, so the second statement, stakeholder have maximum influence during this phase, yes, it is correct. ठीक है, and third, the highest uncertainty is at this stage of the project. तो uncertainty और risk, तो yes, risk रहता है because see, we are just doing things on a paper, right? Actually जब भी execution start होगा तब risk जो है वो थोड़ा बढ़ेगा, मतलब as per our expectation design हुआ कि नहीं लाइब्रेरी, ओके, as per our expectation जो sitting capacity 100 था, तो that target we achieve or not, or only we could make it to 80 sitting capacity, right? We are able to अवेलेबल ऑल द बुक्स और नॉट, जो पुराने बुक्स रहते हैं ओल्ड बुक्स, तो वो हम अवेलेबल कर सकते हैं कि नहीं, वेदर वी कैन अवेलेबल दैट बुक्स और नॉट, राइट? लॉट्स ऑफ रिस्क आर देयर. ओके, So all these things are there. That's why the risk is always higher at this initial stage of the project. So that's why the C is also correct. Okay. So for this question, the only wrong answer will be A. It should be lowest tier. Okay. So correct answer is A. Means it is not correct.